If you know anything about me, I talk about humidity absolutely all the time because I came up as a tech in Central Florida. Those are the biggest problems, or at least the hardest ones to solve, are humidity issues. Whether it's sweating ductwork, or whether it's high humidity inside the structure, or whether it's dripping vents or diffusers, humidity is a major issue in many, many states. If you look outside and you have green grass, good chance you have some sort of humidity issues in your home or in your commercial building, and that's where I'm always talking about Santa Fe. Santa Fe is a company born out of a problem-solving mindset. I've had many different conversations with the folks over at Santa Fe, from their engineering team, from their products team, even the founding team of the mother company I've had a chance to talk to, and they're really obsessed with providing solutions for the field. And one of the biggest areas is the whole home market. So I've talked about the new Santa Fe Ultra V155 before. It's a really great dehumidifier that's going to work in a lot of whole home applications. They make a range of other sizes as well, from the V100 all the way up to the V205. This new updated Santa Fe product line has a lot of really great advantages, including a larger inlet duct for the outdoor air, so an 8-inch ventilation duct, making it easier to get the flow you need from the outdoor air. But it also has really high quality digital controls. It works with this new smart wired sensor. This goes into the occupied space, or the space that you're wanting to control the humidity, and it wires with 2 simple wires on the inside up to 100 feet away from the equipment. So you don't have to have a separate display. Sometimes it's not necessary to add additional settings or confusion to the homeowner. You can still set it and forget it at the actual unit. Then utilize this smart remote 2-wire sensor in the hallway, under the return, wherever you want to position this to control the humidity easily. Controls have historically been a little bit of a tricky part of dehumidifiers, and this new remote sensor makes it really, really easy to do just that with reliable wired control. Just 2 wires landed onto the RS terminals is all you need. Really simple instructions as always, and it pairs great with the new Ultra Series whole home dehumidifiers, and I especially like the Ultra V155. 6-year warranty. As I mentioned, the new upsized ventilation duct attachment for outdoor air, and the new wireless sensor. That's the Santa Fe 404000. Ask for it by name from a wholesaler near you.
Thanks for watching. If you're willing, give this video a thumbs up and drop us a comment. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with all of our future videos. And as a quick reminder, HVAC School isn't just a YouTube channel. Dive deeper with us at our main website, hvacrschool.com. Curious for more knowledge on the go? We've got you covered. Tune into the HVAC School podcast, available on all your favorite podcast apps. And while you're at it, join our thriving Facebook group. Also, don't miss out on our free mobile applications available for both iPhone and Android. We're all about community, for techs, by techs.